1 year ago, Hurricane Milton destroyed our training facility and marketing center at a Land of Delight. Walls fell in, the roof fell in. It was unrepairable. But we didn't give up. We didn't quit. We knew our God was bigger and stronger. We started over from the ground up. We did a concrete foundation. We built a 170-mile-an-hour steel structure, air conditions, beautiful furniture, a bathroom, and all of these other things. It's amazing what the Lord has done. What the storm tried to bury, God raised in beauty. What was torn down has risen greater than before. Now's time to reopen, to go live around the world, to help families and businesses and churches learn self-sustainability, how to grow no chemical, no pesticide food. We're almost there. We're very close to reopening. It's been a year, but look what the Lord has done. Thank you for all your prayer and your support. We're almost there, and we'll let you know when we're open. For more information and to keep up on the progress of what's happening, go to alandofdelight.com. That's alandofdelight.com.